Hello students, good morning. In the previous lecture of thermal engineering, we have discussed what is thermodynamics and what are the applications of thermodynamics and what is the importance of thermodynamics in the mechanical engineering field. Now, in this video, we will see some of the terms or terminology used in the thermodynamics. Okay. Now, these are the new terms which we will use frequently are working substance, pure substance, system, boundary, surrounding, and there are so many terms used in thermodynamics that we will see one by one. Now, we will see what is working substance. What is working substance? Now see, working substance is in thermal engineering equipment. Thermal engineering equipment. It may be boiler, it may be turbine, it may be condenser, it may be IC engine, like that. In any thermal engineering equipment, a working substance is used. In any thermal engineering equipment, a working substance is used in the process of conversion of heat to work or vice versa. These thermal engineering equipments are used for the energy conversion, and for the energy conversion working substance is required. For example, in the steam power plant, the working substance is steam. In the refrigerator, the working substance is refrigerant. Without the refrigerator cannot work. It will not give the cooling effect. Or in the IC engine, the working substance is fuel plus air. In case of compressor, working substance is the air. Okay. Now, this was about the working substance. Okay. Now, we will see what is pure substance. In thermodynamics, what is the meaning of pure substance? In thermodynamics, a pure substance in thermodynamics is one that has invariable chemical composition in all phases. That means in thermal engineering equipment, this working substance goes into phase change. That working substance goes into phase change. And even after phase change, if its chemical composition doesn't change, then that is called as the pure substance. For example, water. After heating the water, steam can be formed, and after condensation of the steam, again we get the water. That means the chemical composition of water and steam is same. That's why we say water is a pure substance. Similarly, air is a mixture of nitrogen and oxygen, and we can heat the air, cool the air, compress the air, expand it without alteration of this composition. Hence, we can say that air is a pure substance. Similarly, in the same way, we can say the refrigerant which is circulated in the refrigeration system, it is also the pure substance. Okay. Now friends, we will see what is system in thermodynamics. The system in thermodynamics is a specified region where transfer of energy and mass or energy alone are to be studied. A specified region where transfer of energy and mass or energy alone are to be studied, that specified region is called as the system. Okay. Now, after system, we will see what is the boundary of the system and what is surrounding. Boundary means the envelope enclosing the system is called as boundary of system. See, this is the envelope enclosing the system. This is called as the boundary. This is the boundary of the system. The envelope encloses the system is called as boundary. And whereas what is surrounding? Surrounding is the space outside the thermodynamic system. The space outside the thermodynamic system is called as surrounding. That means space out, this is the system. The space outside the thermodynamic system is called as surrounding. यानी सिस्टम के बाहर जो भी है that is surrounding. Okay. That means here the heat or energy or mass interaction is taking place between system and surrounding. Heat transfer or mass transfer that is taking place between system and surrounding. Okay. Now you can see the example of IC engine or boiler. In the internal combustion engine, this is the cylinder and there is the piston arrangement. Here, in the cylinder piston arrangement, this cylinder is the boundary. These are the three boundaries, and fourth boundary is the piston. Fourth boundary is the piston. Similarly, in the case of boiler, this is the system, this is the boundary, and outside the boiler that is surrounding. Outside this engine that is surrounding. Okay. Now here also we can see here the heat transfer to the boiler. The heat crosses the boundary of the system. Okay. Yes, after steam generation, that steam crosses the boundary of the system and then we can use it for the useful purpose. Now, this was the for the today's video. In the today's video, we have learned what is working substance, what is fuel substance, what is system, what is boundary and surrounding. We have learned this with these examples. Okay. Thank you very much. In the next lecture, we will see the remaining terminology used in the thermodynamics. Thank you very much.